But Akari is just really good, and I don't know why.
All right.
Alright. So I'm gonna have 2 runs to submit after this. Possibly, like, some ILs, but... This stage feels good to get down. I battled my dad for the personal best. Because, like, my dad was over for a little bit when I was at my grandparents' house. And we played together. And this was the stage we went back and forth with the record. I use MRS as my initials, and he uses Ace, so it just went between those two as top record. I always have a hard time with those little bumps right there, but other than that... I can never decide if going down this, or going up this ramp is actually faster or not. Also, the song rocks. Everything, like, important that I've done in this game, though, has been done with Akari, except for, like, one time trial that I did as Rob. So, I'm kind of used to Akari by now, and there's no going back, so... Keep in mind, this was, like, one of the few games that I had to play for, like, a week straight, other than, like, Animal Crossing. Which I did actually catch a lot of the bugs and fish for July 4 in, like, 2 days. I remember I was trying to catch a coelacanth, which is a really rare fish you can only catch during rain, for like an hour, and I only got like 3 chances to do it, and I screwed up all 3 times. I can't remember my record for this stage, but I probably just beat it. I remember doing time trials with this stage a lot too, because I love how the night stages look in this game. They're so pretty. Oh, I missed it. Okay, whatever. It's okay. I think my, so I tried to do runs of this stage while I was at my grandparents' house, and I recorded them, and I uploaded them, and they weren't able to be submitted because like they didn't work or something. But I remember my best time for this stage was it was a 5:20, I think, which is way far off from any records on leaderboards right now, but whatever. I'm going into these stages without a route or anything, and certainly not optimally, but, you know, whatever. It's all good. As long as you're having fun, you know? That's what matters. Unless you're playing Tulip, in which case that game is literal hell. Oh, I forgot, you need to press start for that one. But about Cool Borders 2, I don't even think it was because I was used to playing this game that I was, like, so disappointed by that game. I think it was, like, that game doesn't even compare to, what is it? Kennedy Snowboarding on N64. That game is so much better, because you actually have an analog stick to work with. Keep in mind that the PlayStation Classic does not use an analog controller, it does not use a DualShock. Oh, shoot. Like I said, not optimally. Does not use DualShock. It uses the original analog controllers. I think they're called analog controllers. No. Uses the original, like, D-pad 4-button controller. And it sucks, but it's USB. So it's pretty cool because I can use it for other things. Like Neverhood No Mazo. Or Skull Monkeys, if I ever wanted to run that game. If I ever bothered to learn it, which I probably won't. I can barely even beat that game normally, nevertheless, like, as fast as possible. I probably never get a time under an hour.
30 seconds.
We good. We good. We good.
15 seconds.
We good. That's like the worst of my PBs. Great.
Congratulations. You finished the
There we go.
challenge.
Okay.